my feet. You'll never get the best of me. Your sticks and your stones.
This cocktail is famous for the cure to the hangover, or so they say. This is the Bloody Mary, invented in the 1930s in New York at the Nat King Cole Bar at the St. Regis Hotel. Today, hair of the dog, this is the cocktail that you drink after. Must be something to do with the tomato juice, has a bunch of vitamins, and the vodka just, makes you feel good again. So we start with our glass. Grab a tall glass, a Collins glass, and I actually have a half salt rim on here. With a Bloody Mary, it's a really nice added touch just to do half a salt rim. That way the guest gets to choose if they want the salt or not. I'm now gonna add some fresh ice into this glass. And I'm just gonna set that to the side while we make the Bloody Mary. I take my small shaker and I add the ingredients. We start with 2 ounces of vodka. Four ounces of tomato juice. Now we want to add a little bit of spice into our Bloody Mary. The famous 2 ingredients in Bloody Mary, apart from the vodka and tomato juice obviously, is Tabasco and Worcestershire sauce. So a few dashes of each. Tabasco adds a little bit of heat. And then a little bit of seasoning, just a crack of sea salt and a crack of cracked pepper. Once we have that, we're now gonna roll the drink. That is a technique which I'll show you how it's done. We add ice to the small shaker as always, but instead of shaking this, we're gonna roll it back and forth between the small shaker and the big shaker. And this is rolling. We're gonna do this about 4 to 6 times. And what we're doing is we're still chilling the cocktail. We're adding a little bit of dilution, but tomato juice goes frothy if you were to shake it. And we don't want that. We want a silky smooth. Stirring doesn't quite do it. So this technique, rolling, which you won't see too often unless a Bloody Mary is being made, is the perfect compromise. So once we've done that, just gonna take our strainer. I'm just gonna strain it into our prepared glass. Excellent, we've got enough room at the top there to add our garnishes. Now Bloody Mary, synonymous, celery, goes perfect with the spicy sort of tomato concoction we've just done here. Also, with some fresh lemon, just next to the celery. And that there is a perfect hangover cure for the next day. Hair of the dog, Bloody Mary.
Put my head down, shuffle my feet. You'll never get the best of me. Your sticks and your stones.